Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how you can revoke WorkDrive authentication from the Easy WorkDrive for Zoho CRM extension. You can follow the steps shown on this page. If you previously enabled the Use Logged In User Credentials option, you need to complete an additional step. First, you need to revoke access for all authenticated members in the list. After revoking their access, you can revoke your own authentication. Now, let us go to the Easy WorkDrive for Zoho CRM settings page. Click Setup and go to Marketplace. Then open the Installed section and select Settings under the Easy WorkDrive for Zoho CRM extension. Now, go to the Authentication section. Here, you can see the administrator's email address. I am currently logged in with the same email address. The Use Logged In User Credentials option is currently enabled. Even though I am the administrator, I cannot disable this option because one of my team members has authenticated using their own credentials. This is the same member shown in the previous video. To disable this option, I first need to revoke access for all authenticated members. In this example, only one member is authenticated, so I will revoke that member's access first. Click Revoke. You can now see that only one authenticated user remains. This is the currently logged in user. You can now revoke your own authentication as well. After that, you can disable the Use Logged In User Credentials option. Then, you need to authenticate the extension again. After completing this final step, all members of your team will use the credentials of the currently authenticated user. Their WorkDrive access will be based on the permissions available to this user. That is how you can revoke individual WorkDrive authentication and configure all team members to use one user's credentials.